A question. Describe how to use a fire extinguisher to put out fire. Describe how to use a fire extinguisher to put out fire. Remember this word? Pass. Remember this word. What is it? Pass. Pass, that is P-A-S-S, stands for us to use fire extinguisher well, we have to remember these four initials. Pass. The first P stands for pull the pin on the handle. Handle of what? Of the fire extinguisher. Pull the pin on the handle. Then A, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Then we have squeeze the lever slowly. Squeeze the lever slowly. And finally, sweep the fire side to side. Sweep the fire side to side, aiming the fire at the base. Sweep it at the base. You see? So we have P standing for pull the pin. We have A, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. We have squeeze, squeeze the lever slowly, squeeze the lever slowly. And finally, the fourth S stand for sweep the fire side to side. This is how you can use fire extinguisher to put out fire. Another question, state the uses of oxygen. State the uses of oxygen. So in this case, I'm going to mention a few uses of oxygen in our society. Number one, we have in hospitals. Oxygen is used in hospitals to help people with breathing problems. Number two, used by deep sea divers and mountain climbers. Oxygen is used by deep sea divers and mountain climbers. Number three, we have in welding. So in welding, oxygen is used in welding and also cutting of metals. In this case, oxygen is mixed with acetylene. Another name for acetylene is ethylene. An ethylene gas or hydrogen to produce a very hot flame. To produce a very hot flame that is used to burn or to weld a metal. Oxygen is used to remove impurities in the process of making steel. Oxygen is used in the process of removing impurities in the process of making steel. Then furthermore, to burn fuel in rockets and spacecraft, oxygen is used. Oxygen is needed to burn fuel in rockets and spacecraft. Another one, oxygen is used during rusting. Do you know this? So in rusting, oxygen is used. And finally, but not least, oxygen is used to support combustion and among others. So this is just as few uses of oxygen in our day-to-day life. We have said that used to support combustion and among others. There are other so many uses of oxygen, but this is what we have to remember when we are called upon to answer a question on uses of oxygen in our day-to-day life.